Welcome back to our channel. Breaking news! Kylie Jenner is losing sleep, and no, it's not because Stormi discovered the terrible twos 5 years late. This time, it's heartbreakingly real. Our favorite lip kit queen has been on the phone for 7 hours. That's not a call, that's a full shift at a call center. Can someone check if her phone bill is higher than my student loans? But in all seriousness, the beauty world lost a real one. Jesus Guerrero wasn't just a hairstylist, he was Kylie's go-to for every sleek ponytail and snatched look. And when your bestie is responsible for making sure your hairline stays flawless, that bond runs deep. And in true billionaire bestie fashion, Kylie is covering all funeral costs. Because say what you want about the Kardashians, but they take care of their people. The unexpected death of Kylie Jenner's longtime hairstylist and friend, Jesus Guerrero, has taken a toll on the reality star. Sleeping has been the hardest, Jenner, 27, revealed via an Instagram story Friday alongside a screenshot that showed she had been on the phone with makeup artist Ariel Tejada for over 7 hours. She then added, "I love you, makeup Ariel," with a hugging emoji beside the sweet message. In an additional Instagram story, Jenner reminisced on the happy moments she shared with Guerrero. The Kylie Cosmetics CEO posted a video of her and the late stylist jamming to Leon Bridges' River. Guerrero died very suddenly, his sister, Gri Guerrero, revealed via a GoFundMe earlier this week. He was only 34 years old. A cause of death was not immediately known, and Gri shared with us Weekly Tuesday that their family was still searching for answers. She said Jesus' loved ones had been able to track every one of his steps, but don't know what got him sick or what was the sickness, adding it all happened suddenly and no one knows why. The celebrity hairstylist was on a business trip with Jennifer Lopez shortly before he passed away. The Let's Get Loud singer, 55, did not mention Jesus had been dealing with health issues in her tribute. "The truth is I'm still in shock that such a beautiful young life has come to an end," Lopez wrote alongside a black and white photo of Jesus via Instagram. "I'm still in shock that such a beautiful young life has come to an end. It seems senseless and unfair." Jenner, for her part, also shared a very emotional statement, honoring the loss of her close confidant. "Jesus was more than my friend. He was a light in my life, a source of laughter, comfort, love, and unwavering support." She captioned a slideshow on Instagram filled with memories they shared. "I don't know how I would have made it through the last almost decade without him by my side. He had a way of making even the heaviest days feel lighter." The Kardashians star admitted that the pain of losing Jesus had been just unbearable, adding, "I don't know how to move forward without you, but I know great grief is born only of great love." She continued, "I wish I could hug you again. I laid in your bed the way you used to lay in mine, talking for hours. I would give anything for one more deep talk. I'm going to miss you so much. More than any words can say. 222, my angel." Jenner skipped supporting her boyfriend, Timothée Chalamet, at the SAG Awards last Sunday as she mourned the loss of Jesus. It was revealed earlier this week that the billionaire will reportedly cover all of her friends' funeral costs. As we wrap up this video, it's clear that Jesus Guerrero's sudden passing has left an undeniable void in the lives of those who knew and loved him. Kylie Jenner's heartfelt tribute reminds us just how deep their bond was. More than just a working relationship, it was a true friendship built on love, trust, and shared moments over nearly a decade. Our thoughts go out to his family, friends, and everyone mourning this heartbreaking loss. If you'd like to support his loved ones, consider checking out the GoFundMe set up in his memory. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.